Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cam Dowel Jig is probably one of the most versatile woodworking jigs you can own, enabling you to create strong, accurate, and virtually invisible joints in your projects. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or just about anything that requires precise joinery, a Cam and Dowel Jig can significantly improve the quality and efficiency of your work, making it easier to achieve professional-looking results. Number 5. Kreg KPHJ 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. This is the Kreg KPHJ 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig, designed for easy clamping and adjusting. It's perfect for your next woodworking project. It features a secure clamping system that adjusts easily for a perfect fit every time, making your work easier and more efficient. The jig comes with durable Kreg pocket hole screws, ensuring strong and reliable joints for all your projects. It's suitable for materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1/2 inches thick, making it versatile for various woodworking tasks. It's the fast, strong, and easy way to join wood. Drill, drive, and you're done. This tool makes a great gift for any DIY enthusiast or woodworker in your life. It bridges the gap between idea and creation. What we like. It boasts easy clamping and adjusting features, and it comes with durable screws. If you need to work with materials between 1/2 and 1/2 thick, this is a great option for you. Its secure fit ensures precise pocket holes every time, making it perfect for average-sized projects. What people say. Simple to use and set up. Great pocket joints for accurate hold. This thing saved me hours of work on the first day I had it. Received at 9 a.m. and over 100 pocket holes completed perfectly by 10 a.m. It's very cleverly designed to clamp easily into the exact position your material thickness requires. And firmly enough to save you a lot of time even if you were using face clamps before. The biggest plus is the time saved. Makes quick work of anything 1/2 or narrower. Dust collection works great. Workpiece doesn't slide around and also doesn't get damaged from over-clamping. Just does what it's supposed to do, and the wings on the unit really help with stabilizing the whole thing. Even has bit driver Allen wrench storage on the back of the unit, so there are even fewer excuses for misplacing them. Number 4. Evwoge Woodworking Jig Kit. This kit is a game changer for woodworking. It's built to last and makes precise drilling easy. It's constructed from durable 6061 aluminum alloy with an anodized finish. This ensures resistance to wear and tear for a long lifespan. The scales are engraved with a high-precision fiber laser, ensuring clear and permanent markings that won't fade or wear off. It allows you to drill both 8mm threaded rod holes and 15mm eccentric will holes. The adjustable drill sleeves accommodate various wood thicknesses. Whether you're a furniture maker or a passionate woodworker, this kit provides the precision and ease you need. The kit comes with everything you need: a punch locator, drill bits with stop rings, a wrench, an Allen wrench, and a convenient toolbox for storage. What we like. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy with a precise laser-engraved scale, it's built to last. Its wide adjustment range makes it suitable for various woodworking tasks. If you are a professional woodworker or enthusiast who values durability and precision, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It would be nearly impossible to use the cam connectors without a jig like this. This worked well to position both sides accurately. Works for joining boards up to about 1 inch. I just started to make my own furnitures like TV stand, wardrobe. It was taking a considerable time to measure the points of each minifix assembly. So this jig made it easier for me to find the exact locations. On top of it, it was not easy to drill the narrow side of the wood without this jig. It works fine. Jig is well made. Help to produce quality end product. I never used this method to assemble projects before, and this jig made it easy. Number 3. PANGOLIN Minifix Jig Kit. This innovative kit makes woodworking projects easier than ever. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, furniture repair, or any handyman task. It's built with durable aluminum alloy for long-lasting use. The jig is designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring years of reliable performance. It comes with multiple drill templates and bits, accommodating 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 15mm holes. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of woodworking needs. The self-centering design and adjustable drill core position, 0 to 80mm, ensure accurate drilling every time. Say goodbye to misaligned holes. It includes 5 holes each of 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm, allowing you to adjust for different wood thicknesses. This ensures a perfect fit for your project. We stand behind our product. If you experience any quality issues, contact us for a free repair, replacement, or return. What we like. This self-centering jig is incredibly versatile, offering multiple dowel and drill bit sizes. The adjustable drill core position ensures accuracy for various wood thicknesses. If you're looking for a versatile tool for home repairs, DIY projects, or furniture making, this is the one for you. What people say. It works very well. If you dowel 3/4 stock end to end, or to make a perpendicular joint, this will do it. This is a well-made and accurate tool. Easy to use and precise. Number 2. Jectse 3-in-1 Dowel Jig Kit. This versatile kit makes woodworking easier than ever. It's adjustable to meet all your drilling needs, saving you time and effort. It's built to last. The drill bushings are forged from premium tool steel for superior strength and durability. No more struggling with clamps. The included clamp board securely holds your wood while you work. Get perfectly aligned holes every time. It comes with bushings for 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm dowels. This kit is built to exacting standards for a long and reliable service life. You can count on it for years to come. At Jectse, we're dedicated to providing top-quality tools and exceptional customer service. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This 3-in-1 kit includes an adjustable drill and a dedicated clamp board, simplifying your workflow. The premium tool steel ensures a long service life. If you value convenience and durability in your doweling jig, this is an excellent choice. What people say. To improve on my joinery, and it did so tremendously. Love the craftsmanship, it's solidly built in aluminum, it was easy as pie and fast. The incremental adjustments are indexed using grooves in the aluminium plates every millimeter. The advantage is a rock-solid hold during drilling. Number 1. SINOCMP Doweling Jig Kit. This kit makes woodworking easier and more precise. It's perfect for furniture assembly and repairs. It's made from high-quality aluminum alloy and reinforced plastic for long-lasting use. You'll appreciate its strength and reliability. It drills 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm dowel holes, plus cam holes. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of projects. Steel bushings ensure perfectly aligned dowels every time. Say goodbye to misaligned joints. It's designed for precise doweling, even for beginners. Find helpful tutorials online to get started. Use it for furniture assembly, table repairs, and more. It's a versatile tool for any woodworker. The included plastic case keeps everything organized and easy to transport. It's ready to go whenever you are. What we like. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, it provides precise doweling for various projects. It's designed to drill multiple dowel and cam hole sizes. If you need a durable and versatile jig for precise doweling, this is a great option for you. What people say. This is really a great jig, works much better than the Stanley-type jigs on here, have one of those as well, and saves heaps of time. First, this kit allows you to precisely drill the holes to install cam-fitting furniture hardware, such as is widely used by IKEA and others for ready-to-assemble furniture. The pieces are well made and the settings are easy to make. The unit is tight, with no play in the components. It also supports 5 holes for identical-sized dowels with each positioning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.